it's your girl Lydia Wendy's and you're welcome in my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I came across this look. So if you like the look, stay tuned and enjoy the tutorial. Thank you. Today I'm going to start with putting concealer, and I'm going to put it on my eyes like that. Yeah, and then I'll put it on my eyes over there, this side. With Sacha Buttercup, I'm gonna set my concealer. With a Karate palette, I'm gonna use it in Smoke. I'm gonna use a color. It's gonna be that pink over there. I'm gonna use that to go around my eyes, like. So now that we do tapping motions rather than swiping, so I'm gonna take it in there. So right now I'm gonna put that green over here. I'm gonna put it into the creases. This is how I'm gonna go into the creases. With that, it's not gonna be easy to tap it into the pink and make it sticky, but that's what we're trying to do. So we're gonna keep doing that. All right, lovely people. I'm putting that blue right now into those creases, because I felt like it shows better. So I'm gonna put it into the creases and cut into how I feel it should be. It's showing better than the grain, so let's keep up with it. So with my old pink brush, going round that, just smoothing it down. Looks like a mess, but it just made me a purple, so which is okay. From the Karate palette again, we are going in with that particular yellow, so I'm going to take it into the edges of the pink just to wrap it up. Yeah, now we're brushing the purple of the pink, and the pink is becoming a faded pink. So making a little round circle. We're still going round with this to emphasize the pink, because I feel like it looks better. I want it to be loud, so we're going round. We're going in with the yellow again, just to emphasize. I'm gonna get that blue again and just take it over here, just to make it a little darker than it should be, just like that. I don't know how, but yeah, just like that. I'm gonna put that same yellow into the middle part of the eye. Alright guys, right now I'm gonna go in with this concealer on the cheeks. It hasn't been working well with the light lately. Can't, handle the light, but I probably have to get another concealer that's not this color. So yeah, with the usual stick, I'm gonna go in there, and I'm gonna beat it before I go elsewhere because I don't want to panic. Just because it's gonna dry. It'd be a good thing that it's dry actually. So I'm gonna go in like that and beat that now. Too much. Could have. Yeah, I might have to go in there. And there. So we're gonna beat that, but I would like to use a different brush. I think this would do better. The same pink we've been using all this time, but I'm going to use a smaller brush this time and just take it just around there. And now I'm going to get the brush that I used with the grain, and it was the grain from the same palette, and just take it over there. So the trick is just use a small brush. The brush that I used with the blue, I'm going to go in at the outer corners of the eye and just take it over there. The same blue we used. I'm going to powder my face with Sasha, so I'm going to put it all over the areas that I've put concealer. This is the Freedom Pro Blush Palette, that and that. And over there, that's just about it. And finally, I'm going to use Barry M pink lipstick. I don't remember the name of the lipstick, but it's a pink one. It's from Barry M.